Hi. Welcome to another video of ThinkTube. Welcome to our first lecture of C programming. In this video we will teach you how to get output on your monitor screen. In first line we will type #include stdio.h and we will type stdio.h in brackets as you can see. By typing this, we are asking C language to include standard input-output header file in our program so that we can use predefined definition. In second line we will add another library file in our C program and its name is conio.h. We will add this library. To start a program we will type int main in our program. Now we will start our actual program. This actual program is also called as body of the program and we will type this body of a program in opening and closing. Now in order to print something on the screen we will give command printf and then starts brackets, then in brackets we will type hello world and this hello world should be in inverted commas. We can also write other command we want to print on our screen. Now at the end of our program we will write get.ch to get our final output, then we will close the curly brackets we started, then to compile and run our program we will press F. Now look! Here is your output of your program. Hello world is printed on the screen. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more lectures of C programming language.